Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by taking a quick baseline. Stand with heels 2-3 cm from the wall and note spine contact. Once done, breathe into your belly with a 4-4-4 pattern so the diaphragm turns on and the low core engages. Then perform a controlled pelvic tilt of about 0.51 cm posteriorly, not exaggerated. This teaches your nervous system the neutral position. Make sure to keep ribs down and shoulders relaxed as you hold each breath and tilt for 5-8 seconds. Once you feel the reset, you build dynamic control with movement. You perform slow marches, 3 sets of 10, lifting knees to 90 degrees while preserving the neutral pelvic tilt and diaphragmatic breathing. This maintains core timing. Next, add bird dogs. 10 slow reps per side with 2-3 second holds to train anti-rotation and posterior chain. Then progress to angled plank work at about 30 degrees, 3 rounds of 20-30 seconds, focusing on exhalation with effort and steady ribs-to-pelvis connection you now integrate core posture into daily life. Practice standing core cues twice a day for 2 minutes during normal tasks, using diaphragmatic breaths and the neutral pelvic cue. Once consistent, increase challenge slowly. Add 5-10% more duration or mild resistance each week, tracking form not reps. If you notice pain, breath holding, or loss of control, stop and regress to the baseline reset you learned. If problems persist, make sure to consult a qualified specialist to rule out structural issues and get tailored progression.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.